the nightingale of paradise singeth upon the twigs of the tree of eternity with holy and sweet melodies, proclaiming to the sincere ones the glad tidings of the nearness of God, calling the believers in the divine unity to the court of the presence of the generous one, informing the severed ones the message which hath been revealed by God, the King, the glorious, the peerless. Guiding the lovers to the seat of sanctity and to this resplendent beauty. Verily, this is that most great beauty foretold in the books of the messengers, through whom truth shall be distinguished from error, and the wisdom of every commandment shall be tested. Verily, he is the tree of life that bringeth forth the fruits of God. The exalted, the powerful, the great, O Ahmad, bear thou witness that verily he is God, and there is no God but him, the King, the Protector, the incomparable, the omnipotent, and that the one whom he hath sent forth by the name of Ali, His Holiness the Bab, was the true one from God, to whose commands we are all conforming. Say, O people, be obedient to the ordinances of God, which have been enjoined in the Bayan. By the glorious, the wise one, verily he is the King of the message, and his book is the mother book, did ye but know. Thus doth the nightingale utter his call unto you from this prison. He hath but to deliver this clear message. Whosoever desireth, let him turn aside from this counsel, and whosoever desireth, let him choose the path to his Lord. Lo, the nightingale of paradise singeth upon the twigs of the tree of eternity, with holy and sweet melodies, proclaiming to the sincere ones the glad tidings of the nearness of God.